digitization remains a major priority, and of course, we're observing, like everyone is, the impact of AI and data science on so many areas of the business. We have a few big areas of focus, primarily in R&D. So we have a major collaboration with Microsoft, the Microsoft AI Innovation Lab. It's housed in our research operations, and it's focused on what we call as generative chemistry and really AI-driven drug discovery. That's a big focus area, and if anything, our goal now is to invest even more as technology gets better and better within that space. Also within R&D, it looks like a lot of these natural language processing capabilities could allow us to accelerate and simplify many parts of R&D. Another major area of focus has been in manufacturing, where with Amazon, we worked on creating a data science platform that works across our manufacturing network. And that also is another major area of focus. The shift has been for us, rather than, we've learned, I'd say over the last 5 years, that you have to be quite specific in terms of the use cases you want to use AI and data science. It cannot be something you just put everywhere, because in many cases the data is not good enough, or it just doesn't make sense and it won't generate enough value. So rather, we say we're going to have a handful of projects we really try to scale to enable us to be successful.